JIGSAWmo, get up and out the way. Hey, Red Dog, you take care. Soul Control, I'll see ya.
Up 212 Central Cal.
212 Central Cal, 212 Central Cal, Triple Echo.
Here's somebody out there in a Razorback. Sounding good in my pickup.
Swing like Tarzan in the jungle, 74, I'm gone.
Good morning, America. How are you? Don't you know I'm your native son? Need a little bit more audio out there, California, Mopar, Kansas City, back quiet.
I'll tell you what, everybody on that East Coast is sure making a fine.
Yeah, that radio right there, you need a little bit more audio in there. You're all like whispering. Hey, man, what's up out there? A little bit. Crank it up some more.
I know they're not talking to Soul Control as I bust through all that mess on a barefoot 148. That's worldwide Soul Control. They call me Soul Control. I'm in Tehachapi, California. Try to step in. You taking Soul Control of my receiver, 64. Talk to me, Soul. Let's go.
Hey, Soul Control, Mopar, Kansas City. Want to see if I can't mix it in there with the Mopar back quiet.
Hey, I certainly appreciate it, 64. You're doing the same thing here in Central Cal, Tehachapi. 64, we appreciate it. Soul Control on a barefoot radio, and I'm stepping.
Hey, Soul Control, one more time. Mopar, Kansas City, 494, back on the side.
You as well, my friend. A happy 24 and a great big grin on my chin.
I have a going out there. Soul Control, just heard you in my radio this morning. Wanted to wave a hand over your way. 494, Midway, USA. Kansas City's back on the side. Now, you didn't get it right. It's 494, 494, Mopar, and more power, Kansas City, back out. Hey, Roger on that, Wagon Burner. Hey, Wagon Burner, I had to leave him on the mall. Hey, Wagon Burner, have a good one out there. You're Mopar, Midway, USA, Kansas City. I'm waving.
Mopar, Midway, USA. Have a good 2024 coming up on your end. Wagon Burner, cruising the West Coast. Goddamn.
Hey, Roger on that, Wagon Burner. Hey, Wagon Burner, Happy New Year's over that way also. Enjoy the rest of your Sunday. I'm going to get back out here and listening in. Wagon Burner, have a good one out there. Hey, Soul Control, have a good one. I'll be back quiet. Mopar, I'm out.
Alright, Soul Control on the Barefoot 148. Said I got it all, cause you said it all, and I'm back in these bushes.
Clean up, aisle 28.
Hey, 317, did you get your broom out?
47 wagon burner with the New Year wave.
Hey, 317, if you got the broom, I got the dustpan, Mopar, Kansas City, back quiet.
Cleanup was brought to you by 317 Bakersfield. Bye.
Hey, 317, if you got the broom, I got the dustpan. Hey, 317, you got that broom, I got the dustpan, Mopar, Kansas City, back quiet. Hey, 317, one more time. Hey, 317, one more time. Mopar, Kansas City, waving.
Skip land 151. 151 right up around these evergreens with the wave.
That was a radio cleanup right there. 151, 151, Mopar, Kansas City's waving it back at you.
I appreciate the wave there, Mopar. Hello, yo. Corner with the wave.
Hey, copy that, 151. Have a good one up there. I appreciate you keying it up coming from the Evergreens. Mopar, Midway, USA. I'm out.
Right on there, Mopar. Have yourself a super fine one out there and even a better New Year, no doubt about it. 151 right up here around Washington State, and I'm about out.
And he's back out. Go ahead, audio 111.
Audio. Hello. 352 Los Angeles, California, reading the bill.
Yeah, 352 Los Angeles. You're making it over here around Kansas City, Kansas.
Top of the afternoon time, right back. 352. Decided from this mall, right back. Come on.
Hey, right back at you, 352. Enjoy your day over that way. Happy New Year coming up, no doubt about it. 494 Midway, USA. Kansas City's on the side.
Right back, 494. Right back, starting ground, as you should, man. 494, I say Happy New Year, right back. Yeah, till they do it again, it's much better we got there. 352, stand by.
Hey, Roger on that. All right, man, you guys have a good one out there. I got this little gate rolling over here, and I'm going to leave it on and go back upstairs for a while. I did my little 9 minutes of bullshitting out here, and I'm going to get back over on the side. Mopar around Kansas City. I'm out.
Like you, me too, I'm gone. I guess Mopar couldn't hear a little bitty mobile. I'm gone.
Who's that in the mobile?
That was me, Mopar. I was just speaking, trying to wish you a Happy New Year. Is that 10-4?
Hey, 10-4, yeah, man, you caught me over on the flat side.
Yeah, Johnny, on that. Long time no here, man. I passed you up one day in my Suburban. I just want to wave at you. Take care of my brother. Hey, Mopar, JIGSAWmo, go around there.
Hey, right back at you, man. Yeah, I was over on that flat side. I don't hear any locals when I get over that direction. You know how it is anyways, man. You're sounding good out there over here on the vertical, Mopar. I'm out.
Hey, Mopar, no strain, no pain, my brother. All right, take care, man. We'll talk. I'm pulling out. Bye-bye.
All right, man. Drive safe out there.
Go 10. Hey, afternoon time out there, Mopar. 7-8 waving.
Waving back at you over here, 7-8. I'm going to get out of here, man. I've had my 10 minutes of fame, and that's all I needed. I'm out.
Hey, check. Hope you and your family have a good New Year's.
Yeah, 10-4. We're going to hide here at the house and not worry about anything, right?
Hey, I'll be right here with you. I'm sitting at the house myself.
Stay away from the windows.
Yep, like Washboard would say, put sandbags around your windows.
Copy.
How about that Mr. O? That Mr. OFF 007 Ridgecrest, California is trying to wave a hand. Yeah, well, I guess I got no Mother Nature for that, Mr. O. No conditions for that, Mr. OFF 007 Ridgecrest, California with no Mother Nature. Back wide. Audio. Hey, we appreciate it there. And that wild child, we appreciate you letting us know that we did make that trip. I heard you do that, Mr. O. Yeah, Mr. OFF. We waving our hand one more time, that Mr. O. Hey, wild child, you both of you have a fine day tomorrow. Enjoy the New Year's till we do it again. 007 Crest, California. Waving a hand one more time. That Mr. Off and that. Hey, Wild Shaw, I'm sorry about that. I had a call.
What's going on out there, Wild Child? Big Al with that New Year's wave, Brigga?
Well, afternoon to you, dear Slayer.
Yeah, Roger, on all the drunks driving around out there tonight. Yeah, I normally stay home and safe, I guess. I don't know, relatively safe. All right, man. Yeah, have yourself a good 2024 and a safe, I guess, celebrating out the 2023, man. Wild Child, Big Al, and we're going to go back out.
Hey, you're pretty loud yourself out this way, man. Sound louder than the locals. I got all twisted up that time. That Wild Child, man, he tore you up. You guys were all blended together. I couldn't make any sense out of it. Chaos, northwest corner, I'm listening.
Howdy, Chaos. Roll Rust.
Hey, copy. There goes my phone.
Yeah, that is Big Al. It's an 8 Big Al, you baby. Lost cause right around Middle Spokane, Washington. Yeah, that is Big Al. Hey, you got to come right there right now. You sound all very good, man. Mother Nature's got you in sole control up here in the northwest corner. You take care. Hospice, you're coming up. Number 8, your lost cause, Mount Spokane, Washington. I'm gone. I guess we ain't got any conditions to the west side. Liberty, Missouri, Big Dog. We're sitting back on this New Year's Eve day. Yep. How about it out there? That's what she said. How about it out there? Hey, 56283 in Wheatfield.
How about at 56283 in a wheat field, Page and Breakers?
383, California, copy. Have a great day, 83, 562, California.
410, 562, have a good New Year, man. Have a safe New Year. Have a safe New Year and a good one. 56283 in a wheat field, just out here doing a little bit of testing. You have a good one. I'll see you.
Hey, Roger, that 83, you know, your indicator was like 9 pounds. Loud and clear, 83, 562, California, stand by.
Real good copy, 562. Real good copy, man. Yeah, I got good numbers on you too, man. Hey, I got a real good sound station. 562, take care. Keep it up. 83 in a wheat field. I'll see you.
Happy New Year. Last day is 723. Welcome to 720.
How about at 562? We have conditions. Big Dog's trying. 665. 665. Hey, 562, man, you're making a good trip at Liberty, Missouri. Just wanted to know you was just talking to a friend of ours, 83, up there in Kansas. Big Dog, we're back out. I heard somebody hollering for 83 up over here in the wheat field, man, but I couldn't pull out that 28. I sure couldn't. 83 in Kansas City. I'm back reading the mail. Kansas, California. Red cars. Hey, 83, this is Big Dog. If you're in your mobile, man, I got my beam pointed to the west, but I did go to the vertical side. Hey, top of the afternoon, 83, Big Dog. We're back out of your radio if you got a copy. That's right.
Cars somewhere in California.
Yeah, I heard that station in California, the man, the skip is really heavy over here. You can try it again and see if I can pull you out. If I don't, man, we still wish you a Happy New Year's, Big Dog. Liberty, Missouri, back out.
8302, I heard you out there. This is JIGSAWmo, California.
Hey, afternoon time over there, Rusty Zipper. I heard you in there a little bit ago.
Rusty Zipper saying howdy, howdy, right back at you.
Hey, right back. How we sounding over there? We're playing with the little Longhorn today.
That old Longhorn's doing its thing.
How you want to? How you want to? Out here, little bit of radio.
Afternoon, Rusty Zipper.
Hey, right back. We're waving a hand. Yeah, it's awful busy out there. Man, Callie's got my ears.
Yeah, I understand. Just wanted to...
Hey, Roger and Callie got your ears. Anyway, 7-8, you have a wonderful New Year's Day. Your friend Big Dog, we're back out reading your mail. Hello, Rusty Zipper.
Well, howdy, howdy.
How are you doing this afternoon?
Well, compared to what?
Good Lord Almighty, the state is blowing my ears and hard out here in California. 511. I said it, I'm gone. Bye.
Try it one more time. Hello there, Rusty Zipper. Rusty Zipper. 15 cents waving at you.
Yay, coyote, man, you're always just out here waiting on the split pea soup. Made some homemade split pea soup. 45 minutes gone by.
Yeah, I was talking to him when you come in there, Roger. Yeah, 7-8 there. He's on that Longhorn.
Yeah. I'm sorry if I keep on you, man. I can't hear shit. I'd probably just stay off a little bit. It just got me so jammed up in here. Hey, 554, you sounded good out here too. 554. You sounded good in Yosemite National Park around California. I'm gone. Well, I appreciate it out there in the National Park in California. You have a Happy New Year's. sir. And that's you, he's waving a hand from... Yeah, Roger. I got some bleed over from hell out here, man. 0511's got some bleed over from hell out here. Hey, you guys have a super fine day out there. We'll catch you later. 511 around California. I gotta get on take a standby. I'm gone.
Have a good one, 511, triple nickel, 15 cents, Kansas City waving, and I'm out. Hey, 511, thanks for the wave. Missouri Big Dog said it.
Yeah, you have a great New Year's Eve too, man. We'll catch you later. Happy numbers to you, and have a happy New Year and all that good stuff. God bless. 511's gone. Bye.
Bye-bye-bye. Anyway, Nick, I'm surprised you can hear me across the street.
I hear you, man of steel. I hear you, man of steel. Hey, man of steel, I heard you in there at 511 waving to my friend, man of steel. I'm gone.
I can always hear you. You might not be all the time, but I can always hear you in there. New Year's on you, man. Hey, Roger.
83 out here, we feel the shouting good. 83 out here, we feel the shouting good around Yosemite National Park, California. I'm gone.
I'll let you go. Let you guys get in there and do some skip. I was just down there grabbing something and heard everybody. All right, well, hey, 7-8, LD, and Triple Nickel in Kansas City. Y'all have a really happy New Year's Eve. And
lots of big radios come in there at the same time. Their wild channel sounding good, too. We'll catch you guys later. Have a super fine day. 5-11. I'm out here.
A little bit. Anyway, 73s. Have a good one there. 7-8, Rusty Zipper, Triple Nickel, 15 cents. Gone.
Yeah, somebody's taking my machine right now. Go ahead. You see me in National Park. Go ahead. Roger, 555 in Texas. I'm waving right back. 555, Texas, sounding mighty fine around California. Happy New Year.
South Carolina, 723 Seattle, moving to New Year's Eve.
All right, we'll catch you later, man. I'm going to get on out of here and let the channel roll. There's a lot of big radios out there. We'll catch you on the flip-flop side. Have a happy New Year. God bless. 511, back out of it. Mom, Mom.
Radio Man 260, State of Maine, looking for West Coast. How about that California? Radio Man 260, State of Maine, looking for that California.
I heard 804 in there too. Hi, 804, 511. I'm back out.
Was that 260, Maine? 665, 665.
I even sounded good out around California too. 511 said that. I'm gone by.
Looking for them conditions. Georgia, I heard further. Looking for them Georgia. We got Radio Man 260 up here in southern Maine. Yeah, we're just checking conditions. See if we can get the West Coast in there.
That's a roll wave.
Southern Cal. Uh-oh. I must be a big strapper around Southern Cal anyway. 511 around Yosemite National Park has gone by.
55, I'm building.
All right, hey, 77, didn't I talk to you a little while ago on a lower channel there, 77? Radio Man.
Man, I tell you, Mother Nature's on your side. You're pegging my needle. Hey, you're putting my needle on the other side of the radio. Mother Nature's definitely on your side, for sure.
You're reading like 60 over on my striker here. That's crazy on the signal there, 77. Yeah, conditions have improved a little bit.
Out here by you, boy, Louisiana. Your Mother Nature's on your side. All right, we'll catch you later. Have a good one. God bless. I'm gone.
Man.
Hey, what's going on with that Bayou boy out there? Hello, Bayou boy. Big Al with that big old New Year's wave.
It's over the horizontal side. You're just locked in. Locked in on 60 dB striker on the flat side.
There's a lot of people cutting off here. People's radios.
Damn, they all came to party there, Bayou boy. I don't know, maybe you walked away from the radio. Bayou boy, Big Al, you need that big old New Year's wave.
Good old Mother Nature.
Copy that. All right, I'll back up here. I'm going to bring up the guys at the chance back. Radio Man 260.
2 years, 83, Wheatfield, back on the mail.
I think you said, what am I doing different, man? I ain't kidding. They're making it rough on you out there. I got my beam and my tower up on it a little bit ago. Might have been a little over a month. So yeah, we got all the ducks flying in the right direction now. Well, Bayou Boy, Big Al, back to you.
Big Al 83, hey Big Al 83 said Happy New Year. Big Al 83 said Happy New Year, I'm out. Hey there. Hello. Hey, how about it, Big Al? Conditions your way. See what you can do.
I lost a Bayou Boy, but yeah, Big Dog video. Oh, he's got conditions out here. Big Dog, a big old Happy New Year wave to you from Big Al. Hope you're having a good day and ready for the new year.
Oh, no doubt about it, Big Al. Yeah, we just figured we'd like to make some conditions out your way because we're going to be heading out. Big Al, we just want to go to big old wave today and wish you that happy New Year's, and we don't get to talk to you until next year. Take care, my friend. Big Al, your friend Big Dog. Back off that big old key.
All right, there, Big Dog. All right, man, have a good one. We'll catch you on down the road. Big Al, back to listen.
Hey, check, my friend. You're sounding bodacious as always, Big Al. I'm really glad you got your beam up, too, man. Yeah, man, what a mess. What a mess. Seattle pile drivers. Tracy? Yeah, go ahead. You got the pile driver.
Yeah, I got you out there, Go Roper. Hello, Go Roper, man. A big old New Year's wave to you from Big Al.
See you there, hog guard. By golly, you got the pile driver over here in Seattle, Washington. Radio Man 260, looking for that West Coast. Radio Man 260, looking for his West Coast station. State of Maine. Pile driver, we're standing.
I got 444 in Texas down there, too, man, but it's rough. Mother Nature's slipping and sliding. 444 down there in Texas. You got a copy, Big Al's giving you that big old New Year's wave, and we're back quiet.
6, Stanley. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9, 10. And we know how to count. Yay! The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. Happy New Year's around the west side, coming up anyway. 83 in a wheat field on the mail. Well, hello, 83, 191.
Do we get the easy crayon on the boat?
Hey, 191, I heard you real good. Hey, 191, what's going on? Here's the way to you, Big Dog. We heard that mobile, come on. You can draw on the bus. I don't think anybody's going to say anything to you. Grab the marker, say whatever you want. Happy New Year, building. Hey, all right, 191. It's pretty hefty. It's pretty rough out there, but I did get a copy on you. Hey, 191, and then mobile. Take care. Happy New Year's, your friend, Big Dog. We're back out of the way. Good. Oh, that's a big one.
Yeah, dropping my helmet on now and getting color markers, and I'm on that bus. Woohoo!
To the grass. Hey, check, my friend. I got it all. Hey, 191.
The crayon bus. It's just every bus out here said, there you go.
Some good thing like that.
Yeah, so I just put a different mic in line and put
We do a helmet. His stickers on the windows too, I heard.
left down.
Always wear a helmet. Oh, I got a helmet. What kind of helmet do you have?
Oh no, I don't like the cinnamon. I'm sorry, I don't like cinnamon.
sounding good around that TJ border. Happy New Year's coming up. 83 in a wheat field. I'm driving that school bus. I'll see you.
Bye, you boy. You have a good New Year's. And 88, I believe.
Hey, 83, where are you taking that bus?
Here's to make sure you stay safe, gentlemen.
Oh, hey, it's 83. 83, where are you taking that bus? You stay safe too. God bless. Around the TJ border, 83 in city, driving the bus.
Battery's dead. I got the mic gain at 1 o'clock. 10-4. You got a regular hand mic for it? Yeah, I got Procon I can put on this. 74 kids is mobile sounding good. 74 is mobile, 383, wait a minute. 275.
I should.
Big old shade. Copy on your big brother. You're 222 listening up in these Rhode Island hills.
Oh, is it that blah, 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 blah?
It all. 665, 665.
No, sir, I do not.
Give me a 5 count, will you?
That's a negative. I do not know the island music.
4, 5. Got down. I can't get her keyed up. She sounds awesome, but, man, something's awful lazy. Man, I thought I heard my friend 753 out of Maine.
Orange County.
So we swung him up there to Maine. How about it? Big dog's waving. Glad to get the wave on you before next year. No doubt about it. Co-hanger, you got it going on. California working. What's up, big dog?
You better pull speakers.
Bad man, looking at you, big dog.
Yeah, you better post plenty of pictures, man.
All right, co-hanger, man. You have a great one. Be safe out there. Hey, Tasmanian Devil, man. I heard you too. Come right bumping in there, my friend. Happy New Year.
Okay, I'll be stalking your Facebook page.
4 rocks for you this year. Hey, Tasmanian Devil, your friend Big Dog. Liberty, Missouri, throwing that New Year's Eve wave. We're back out of your way. Man, hey, you saw the Phantom?
Did you say a Cajun microwave?
My friend, pleasure to speak with a gentleman. My buddy, Big Dog, Liberty, Missouri. Your buddy, 222, Tasmanian Devil. Happy New Year. We'll catch you.
Okay, gotcha.
All right, 222. You know, you put that mall right down in my radio. Hey, 222, you put all the way up to 40 dB gain in my radio. I don't know what you got going, but keep it going. Hey, Tasmanian Devil, your friend, Big Dogs.
Hey, 350, I hear you out there, man. Conditions ain't all that great, man, but I hear you on the driver. Hey, 350, Happy New Year to you, man. 2024, high five, your low-budget recycled radio audio on the west side.
Yep, radio. I sure tell you the truth. I've got both of mine around 10 o'clock. The time. And that low budget, he's got it going. No. I count that. Zero. Sounds pretty darn good. No budget.
We got a hammer down for New Year's Eve. That's all I got to say. Hey, 350, you're low budget. I'm back out of the way.
How about that low budget operator? How about that low budget? 222 with that New Year's wave. Radio sounds good. Try it out for a while.
All right there, Wild Charlie. Happy New Year. Hey, I appreciate the bump down, man. Hope your 2024 brings plenty of happiness and good health. Low budget, reading the mail.
How about a low budget? 222, Tasmanian Devil with that Happy New Year wave. Radio, throw you a New Year's wave. Hey, low budget, Big Dogs, time.
Hey, Big Dog, I heard you in there too, man. I'm going to say Happy New Year's to you too right back, my friend. Hey, Big Dog around Liberty, Missouri, 2024.
wave to you, my friend. Hey, thank you a lot. It means a lot. It's good to hear you. Hey, low budget, you know you got that mall down out here, man. I appreciate it. And it's really good to get one more wave in this year in your radio. Hey, low budget, big dog, Liberty, Missouri, stepping back. Bye-bye, my friend. Hey, bye-bye. That's my big dog around Liberty, Missouri. Full road,
About low budget, you got a sloppy copy to Admitty Devil 222 to New Year's Eve wave.
How about that, Bayou boy? 133.
I can't get there.
Hey, 356, I heard you in there, man. Conditions are all over the place. Hey, 356, 513, Happy New Year wave to you, my friend.
You can't get where? Out to 513.
Oh, you get to Kansas City pretty damn good, so I wouldn't worry about it.
I'm not worried. You try to get the one guy, you know what I mean? Everybody else in the country, no problem. You try to get the one dude, just say, man, there's 6 people hauling for low budget right now. Tasmanian Devil.
Roger.
Flag.
Echo. Hey, how you doing, my brother? Happy New Year's, 317. Big dog's waving.
Hey, big dog, I'm holding it down.
That's correct.
317 is back wide.
Happy New Year, man.
Loud is loud, and I appreciate it. Have a happy New Year. Keep that mall rolling, big dog, stepping out of your radio.
Hey, about time I get some.
I heard somebody calling my name by my name. Hey, I'm gonna wave right back, man. Low budget, 513. Rocking these 7 shopping cart convoy and my $50 fire sticker on the west side. Happy 2024. Channel 28 Good Time Gang. All around the east side from the west side. Low budget, 513. I'm back quiet. I gotta get one more in there before the end of 2023. Pinto for president. Pinto for presidente. Hey, 513. Hey, tell Pinto me. You got a big dog. No doubt about it. Hey, tell me. Big dog says hi. 513. Appreciate it. Bye-bye.
Hey, player. I'll go for Pinto B.
Hell yeah. Pinto B for president.
4-2, and I've got my modulations at about 130 and my RF, I believe, around 12.
Roger, right on there, Pinto Bean. Hey, Happy New Year to you, my friend. Hey, 7-3's around the house, man. Tell Hot Damn, North Alabama Showstopper Skirt that we said hello, man. 2024 wave, I'm reading the mail.
This is what a Cobra 148.
I guess I can't roll with Pinto Beans this afternoon. 83 in a wheat field, back reading the mail.
Hey, low budget. LOT 83 in the wheat field, low budget, 2024 wave.
Right back, low budget. Hey, low budget, right back, man. I just wanted to see if I could throw some chili beans in there with them Pinto beans, man. Take care, low budget. God bless. 83 in Kansas City. I'll see you.
Hey, Roger, right on 83 around Kansas City, man. Yeah, you got the chili in there with the bean. No doubt about it. Hey, 83, low budget. I'm leaving now.
Hey, low budget, throw one in there to Pinto Bean for me, man. If you got Pinto Bean in there, throw away for me.
Hey, Roger, right on. Hey, Pinto, big dog saying hello to you. Happy New Year.
DX land 2804 Rhode Island 2804 northeast corner, wave of the hand. Break.
Hey, 513, thanks for throwing that nickel, my friend. Yeah, Roger, man. Hey, there, big dog. I'm not sure if he got it. I'm gonna try one more time, man. Fred. Yeah, that was Big Dog, Liberty, Missouri. Yeah, he's throwing it right back at you there, Big Dog. Hey, thanks again there, 513. Hey, low budget, thanks again. We're back out of your way.
Come on, 135. About that 135 Oklahoma, 222 Rhode Island, back at you.
Green Beaver Country.
Good afternoon, time to you, Big Dog.
135, 222, you'll tab me any double. Happy New Year, we'll catch you.
Somebody that maybe can get it back to you at 188, 83 in the wheat fields on the mail.
Hey, top of the day to you, 83. Getting out there, man, as lower conditions look like they're starting to open up for us just a little bit. Top of the day, and happy New Year's Eve to you, my brother. 83, 188 on the west side. It was a big old Sunday wave.
Right back to you, 188. Yeah, she's kind of been coming and going on me. Snow beast from Mother Nature's kind of been coming and going on me on this news, man, in the last hour or so. Anyway, man, Happy New Year. If I don't talk to you, 188 Snow Beast on those skills botchies. 83 in the wheat fields. I'll see you.
Now, 10-4, my friend. Hopefully we get a little bit of conditions kind of hanging there with us until this evening time, that's for sure. I got a little break in the day from taking care of a little bit of business. I'm going to sit out here and
2024 wave from low budget.
shake a few hands and tell some Happy New Year's on. Tell everybody to do Happy New Year. So anyways, my brother, I'm going to get up out of the way, let you get out there and do your thing. Top of the day, say 83 one more time. Big old west side wave. Your brother the Snow Beast is waving and gone.
How about you, real good copy. Hey, Snow Beast, real good copy, man. You got low budget. Low budget in there is kind of trying to dip in your Kool-Aid, man, but I could hear every word you said, but you got a background singer, man, riding real hard. Snow Beast, 83 in the wheat field. And 513, I did hear you too, but 188 was on top. I'm out.
10-4, 83, no pain, no strain.
Hey, well, I'm going to spike his punch, man. Hey, 83, I'm going to spike his punch. Hey, tell him 188, low budget's about to spike his punch. 513, rocking this recycled radio around the west side. Spike his punch, what you did it that time around. Low budget. Spike the punch. Low budget, take care. 188, you take care. 83, we fields. I'm sitting here, I'll see you. I'm spiking the punch. I'm spiking the punch. I'm spiking the punch. I'm not trying to get in the Kool-Aid. I'm spiking the punch. Low budget. Low budget around the west side. 2024 wave. I'm back quiet. Spike the punch. Spike the punch. I think I got a $50 fire stick. The lab out, man, but I'll be back. I'll see you. Hey, Roger, right on 83. That's my buddy on 188 Snow Beast, man. I just got to spike his punch. I got to spike his punch on his gizmacho. Me and my 7 shopping cart convoy around the west side. I'm back quiet.
Hey, low budget. Have a shot of punch for 222, Tad Indian Devil. Happy New Year.
Oh, Screaming Demon, Connecticut is copy in the mail.
10-4, half-breed. I got you in there that time, my friend. Yes, sir. I got a little bit of wild sound up at my station right about now, my brother, but I got you in between the keys. Top of the day, sir.
Hey, Mr. Wild Child, if you be so kind, wave 2024 at the Snaky Snake, the King.
188 Snow Beast working his 28-foot giz. I'm waving and stepping.
How about there, Mr. Low Budget? How about low budget? Come on back. 666, the old screaming demon up here in Connecticut is reading the mail. 10-4.5 breed down Oklahoma. Take care, my brother. We'll definitely do it again before the day is up. Half breed, 188 on the west side, waving and gone. Hey, I appreciate it, buddy. I appreciate it, Wild Child. Happy New Year, my friend. Hey, Tattoo Man. Tattoo Man, I think I hear you in there, in between the keys. I think I hear my buddy, Mr. Tattoo Man, in there, in between the keys. Tattoo Man, 666, a friendly. Snake Doctor, you sitting back with some of that Beetlejuice? Come on. 6, screaming demon. Tattoo Man. How about you, 188? You got a copy on 78? 78, Kansas City, trying. 188, Snow Beast. How about 78? How about 70? Top of the day to you, 350. Hey, 350, my conditions aren't the best on you right now, my brother, but I'm going to see if I can key it up and lay it down in your world of sound. 350, 188 with a 2024 wave coming right back. Break. Demon, you all right? 78, Kansas City, trying. 188, Snow Beast. Oh, yeah. Mercy me, I'm wondering if I got any conditions. I'm wondering if I got any conditions. Top of the day to you, panty snatcher. Top of the day to you, panty snatcher. I heard you used to have been there one time, my brother. Long time no DX. 188 on the west side, waving. Out there around Connecticut, Hill Iceman, Oregon, we're trying. Big Daddy, New York, break. I hear you. Going back 7-4, Kansas. Hell. I'm at Kansas City, Missouri with a wave. Radio. Hey, Wild Child, 188 waving. My friend, 702 to round over the deep. Mercy me, sir. There does seem to be a whole bunch of hash and trash on it. Yes, sir, my friend. I had to take a pause for the call so little snake doctor to get up in there and tell you what, he got the big old hammer out there this morning. Anyways, my friend, I just wanted to jump in and say, hey, and I wish you a 2024, and we'll get up out of the way and let everybody have some fun. Wild Child, 188 Snow Beast on the west side, working that 28-footer, and I'm waving and stepping. Mercy me, I thought I heard a 181. I thought I heard a 181 again. 181, 666, a screaming demon, Connecticut. We're waving away. Good afternoon, 83. Connecticut, boy, wave your way. All right, they'll get you ramrod, 804 around the Great Lakes. Right on there, Wild Child. Make sure you put that 4-1 2024 wave right back on old Snake Doctor. So hopefully someday we'll have them short skip conditions. We'll be able to do it direct. But anyways, my brother, definitely put that 4-1 wave right back on him. Wild Child, 188 on the west side, waving and gone. Bills out there playing. Around San Francisco with no 356, Louisiana. Top of the afternoon to you. 356, 666, the old screaming demon, Connecticut, with a wave your way. So have yourself a happy New Year. No big old wave to you. Hammerhead 2024 wave, and I'm gone now. Right back 38. Happy New Year to you too. 38, always sounded good in the northeast corner. 1200, get on down. Right back 38. You take care. God bless. Have a great evening out there. 38. Your friend 1200 back in the car. Click. No, it's just I got a rifle, man.
heads out. I'm gone.
Yeah, 188. I'm just being honest, man. I'm just being honest.
Therefore, my brother, he's still rocking on the west side, my friend. I'll tell you what. Looking good and sounding good. Had a little gate on 27-285 Big Hammers. Get on there and see what you're looking like around the west side right about now. Top of the day to you one more time, 83. I'm going to get up out of the ear holes and let you get out there and have some fun. 188 waving one more time, and I got down.
Happy New Year coming up. 83, Wheat Field, working at New Element. I'm out. I'll see you.
No contact. 511, I got to get off of here. Too many big radios for my little wee squeaky 401 beam to get out there. I hear a few stations out there hollering for 188, but it's a little rough and tough on the ears around the west side. I'm going to throw 2024 waves your way. Top of the day, even time around the east side with this great big old west side. 2024 wave, 188 still be so reading trail. Tennessee, man, you're sounding good around Cali. 511 on the 411. It's gone. Bye.
Yeah, going down, take care of the dog.
Snow Beast can't get back to you.
So have a happy New Year. We'll see you. Bye.
Guess I don't have conditions around.
He's having technical difficulties.
Sorry about how he does it with them.
Always, yep.
Oh.
Man, good Lord. Good Lord, what in the world's going on out here?
Looks like I'll be eating hamburger for a little while. What are you guys grazing on?
We're having steak and
Pretty close, man, pretty close.
Radio down the radio store.
Shepherd's pie, refrigerator, all you gotta do is go in the oven.
there you go. Yeah. That's not bad.
No, I don't eat a lot of potato, but I'll eat shepherd's pie, mister. Give me a spoon and watch out.
I guess old snake doctor's got everybody's ears on the west coast there. Poor little Las Vegas kid. Oh man, snake doctor's got that mall down. No doubt about it, old 238 west side, Sin City with that New Year's wave out there, 28.
$50 bag of fucking potatoes for like $16.
Yeah, that's a good deal, man. Yeah, that's what they get from over there at Bells across the river.
Yeah, I made about 50,000 potatoes, a lot of fucking potatoes.
Oh, fuck yeah, dude. Yeah, but usually when I get them, I cut them in half and...
Hey, right here, you got a copy on Las Vegas there, 238 west side, trying to see if I can get past that snake doctor there.
Yeah, I used to love baked potatoes when I was a kid, but just for butter, I never liked that sour stuff on there, but my mother used to eat it, so my sister. I know they used to eat that with Lipton onion soup mix.
Hey, right here, you got a copy on 238 Las Vegas, break.
I was never wet with it. A couple times on celery.